Dometic fridge on gas not working. So today I'm looking at a Dometic automatic fridge. This is an RM7271, and basically we've had an issue where we put it onto the gas. We've got the igniter, we can actually hear the igniter going, but we're not getting any. It's basically just not lighting up on the gas, so we're just not getting any gas through the system, it seems. So the first thing that we're going to do is just to make sure that our gas is connected properly and we've got gas through the system. The first and easiest way that we can do that is with our hob. So just literally lighting up one of the hob rings. That will just give us an indication, just to make sure that we've actually got gas coming through the Caravan and gas coming through the system, so that we know we've actually got gas pressure to other items in the Caravan. The other thing that we want to do is just make sure that our little shut-off valves, our little isolator valves for the gas fridge, are actually in the on position, which they are. So this represents the fridge symbol. We're in line with the pipe, so again that is in the on position, so we know that is correct. Now the issue that we are having is that when we turn it to gas, we're just getting the igniter keep going. So it's just not doing anything. We're going to move to the outside of the Caravan, where I've already removed the cover. And we're just going to check to see that we have got ignition at the back of the fridge, and again it's now cut out. So there's a little screw that I've removed on the cover here. Now if you're not gas qualified, obviously we don't want to be messing with any of the actual gas itself, so we're not going to attempt to disconnect any of the gas or do anything like that. We're just literally doing a basic check, just to make sure that we've got ignition. We've got gas to other appliances, but normally as we put the igniter on, you should hear a bit of it's a bit of a difficult one because the igniter's making a noise, but we're listening out to actually see whether we've got the gas coming through, and it doesn't seem like we've actually got gas coming through. Now if we follow the gas pipe through, this is our gas pipe here that comes up, gets lit and then heats up. So if we follow this back here, you'll see that, if I just move that, we come up into this little unit here. So one of the first things that we want to do is just check our connectors, because again these could fur up. So again, just by removing these and a little bit of electrical contact cleaner on there, which I'd already done. The second thing that we can then do is actually just tapping this unit, because if it's not been used for a while on the gas, the chances are that this is just furred up inside, and the little valve that is supposed to open is possibly just not opening up and letting the gas through. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reset the control dial now and pop it back on, and then just tap that valve and just see if we can get it to free up. So I'll turn the igniter on, and actually we've already lit up. I don't know if you can see the flame in there now. So just literally just the few taps that I'd done on here, that's got us working. So if you've got the same fridge as this, some of the other Dometic fridge will have the same unit, and if you're having an issue where you've got ignition but just don't seem to be getting it lighting up, again, just a little tap on this little unit here and that may just solve your problem. As I say, I don't want you to go messing with any of the gas fittings, but that's just something to check. And as we've done on this one here, we've actually got that working with just tapping that and freeing that. Again, if you remove any of these covers, you've got to make sure that they get refitted back in correctly, so that it's all back to exactly how you found it. So hopefully this may just help you if you have the same issue on your fridge. Thanks for watching.